All right, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about airdrops. Airdrop is something that is going on in cryptocurrency right now. It's also a way to be able to, gather a community or to be able to reward a community. A particular project can create a project and give it to their community or give it to people just to have a community or to use it to reward some people for probably using their products or services. That is what airdrop is all about. It just kind of a rewards, a kind of saying thank you for believing in us or using our product. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you an airdrop that could worth over $20,000. Yes, you heard me right. This airdrop will worth $20,000. All you need to do is just do this simple thing I'm going to be sharing with you so you will not miss out of this massive airdrop. Now, yesterday, I got an airdrop from Moonbeam. I did something with Moonbeam last year. I gave them money for them to, partake in the Polkadot parachain auction, and they were able to win it. And guess what? They gave me some free money. And guess what? 30% of the free money they gave me yesterday, 30% of what they gave me, 30% of it worth over $1,500. So yesterday, I was able to make a withdrawal of $1,500 free money. Now, the money I gave them to do some things that they did, is still there. But this is just a free money from helping them to achieve their goal. Now, they gave me $1,500 for free. Now, not only that, I remember way back in 2020, when I was using Uniswap, I didn't know what I was doing, but I was actually buying some coin on Uniswap, trading Uniswap, buying some coins, swapping different things. And guess what? Uniswap gave me an airdrop as of November 2020, and that airdrop as of that time was $1,500. Now, if you check that Uniswap airdrop based on the all-time high of Uniswap at the moment, or not right now, based on the all-time high of Uniswap, that airdrop worth over $16,000. Yes, guys, $16,000 free money given to you. Now, what did you do? Just by using their products or their services. Now, that is how you get access to airdrop. Now, I see many people doing so many things, using so many links on their DEX, on their Uniswap, on their Trust Wallet, on their MetaMask, trying to get free airdrop. Some platform can tell you refer people. As more you refer, you earn more coin. Now, if you look at all those things, 99, if not 100% of all those things are failure. They don't work. That is not how to get airdrop. Now, how do you get qualified airdrop that can make you a lot of money? By using a product of that particular, people that, by being active in DeFi, I call it, you have to use those DeFi protocols. These are ways you can get airdrop that are going to make you a lot of money. Yeah, use those DeFi protocols. Now, these are ways to earn airdrop. So if you are clicking on any link, in the name of you want to get airdrop, I want to tell you this today. You are exposing your account. You're exposing your wallet because why? Some of those links that you click, what you usually do is to give those creators access to your decentralized wallet, be it Trust Wallet or MetaMask. So you need to be very careful to know the links you are clicking so you will not lose all your money. Because I've seen people tell me that they lost all their money in Trust Wallet or MetaMask is as a result of the links you are able to click. So you have to be very, very careful. So the airdrop I'm going to be giving you in this video is 100% legit. I can tell you 100% legit. And guess what? You need to like this video, subscribe in our YouTube channel because I'm going to be dropping awesome airdrops that are going to make you a lot of money in 2022. Now, this particular airdrop I'm going to be giving you today worth $20,000. That is why you need to watch this video to the very end. And that is not all. You need to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn up the post notification because why? I'm going to be dropping great airdrops that are going to make you money. It's just a way to earn free money in crypto. I can tell you, you deserve it. You just need the information to have access to it. Now, let's get right into the video so I can show you how you can get the $20,000 airdrop. See you. This is, I believe you can see my screen. All right, so this is Unstoppable Domain. Now, this is the airdrop I'm actually sharing with you. It is not yet, and they have not given airdrop yet. So this is Unstoppable Domain. Now, Unstoppable Domain is a place where you can buy an NFT domain that you have access to it for life. Like You won't pay any renewal fee ever. If you just buy the domain, you have already bought the domain, and that domain is yours forever and ever. Now, I believe many people have, I don't know if you know about ENS. ENS, you can, it's the same thing with ENS, but ENS, you only buy domain name there with $200 and you only have access to it for only 10 years. So after 10 years, you pay renewal fee. So, but with Unstoppable Domain, if you buy any domain in this platform, you are not renewing it. It is 100% your domain for life. And I can tell you, you can buy .zale, .crypto, .coin, .wallet, .bitcoin, .x, .888, .nft, .dao, .blockchain. Now, these are all the kind of an example of the kind of domain you want to buy, depending on what you want. Now, this is buying an NFT domain. I can tell people will be like, how do I need that? You need it because why? People who are using internet today, for example, if you have a website, you have a .com website or anything. Now, you remember you bought that domain, and I can tell most people will just do that as business, whereby that they saw a particular business that is going to emerge, they just buy the domain and keep it. Now, when they buy the domain and keep it, some people would like to use that domain in the future, and they kind of reselling it to those people that need it. I can tell you, if you buy any great domain here and keep it in your wallet, let's say in future, some company will need exactly that domain that you want, and they can actually offer you a lot of money to buy it from you. So you have an opportunity here. All you need to do is just to think outside the box to ask yourself, which domain should I buy that you think that will be in use in the future? So if you buy those domains, you keep those domains in your wallet. Now, when you keep it in your wallet, in the future, companies might actually kind of place a bid on the domain you have, and you come and sell it for a lot of money. And by you buying domain in this platform, give you access to what a possible airdrop that will worth $20,000. You can see, grab yours before it go forever. All you need to do is just to buy it, because if you don't buy this domain, if someone buys it before you will not have access to those domain again. So starting from $5, you can just start buying domain with $5. So I'm going to be walking you through. I'm going to be walking you through on how you can buy the domain and mint it, so you can be eligible for a possible $20,000 airdrop. You don't need to miss this video. All right, let's go ahead and buy this domain. I'm going to buy Deep Tutors domain. I'm going to buy Deep Tutors domain. Deep Tutors. You can see what I'm doing. Oh, sorry, Deep Tutors. All right, let's search for Deep Tutors. All right, so this is Deep Tutors. Obviously, someone has already bought .blockchain, Deep Tutors .blockchain. I don't know who bought this. I was one that bought this .wallet. So because the name of this channel is called Deep Tutors, so I'm buying Deep Tutors .crypto. I'm buying Deep Tutors .crypto right now. I now choose the one I want. So we have .x, .888, .nft, .dao, all these things, but I'm buying .crypto right now because I want to secure our domain name. Now let me go ahead and add to cart. No, sorry. Before you do that, you need to first of all sign up. Yeah, first of all, you can see I need to sign in before I do that. Now, for you to be able to go to this website, Unstoppable Domain, the links is on the description below. You see every link that you need to access this website on the description below. Please use the referral link in this description below to be able to, access this Unstoppable Domain website and buy your domain. Now, let me go ahead and log in. Let me log in. Okay, sorry. I have an account with them already. All right, I have an account with them already. Okay, all right, so this is where we are. So I'm buying Deep Tutors. I will choose Deep Tutors. This is Deep Tutors. I will now click on continue to cart. If you want to buy any other thing, you can choose it, but I'm buying only Deep Tutors. Now, I am paying only $40. Now, this is what I'm paying. Now, depending on what you choose, depending on the amount you pay, but I can tell you, buying domain from this platform give you access to a possible $20,000 airdrop. Like, I don't know if you know about ENS. ENS did their airdrop. People that bought domain on ENS just collected free $4,000, $8,000, $20,000, depending on how much people were able to spend on their platform. And I can tell you, this thing will keep on happening. Now, it is very, very important for you to partake in these airdrops. Now, you see a question like this: do you live in the USA? The answer is no. I don't live in the USA. I click no. Then I click on checkout. Click on checkout. Now, if you come to this checkout, there are about 4 options that you can make payment with. You have credit card, we have PayPal, we have cryptocurrency, and we have crypto.com app. Now, if you just want to use your debit card, you can just use your debit card and just fill in this information and click on submit. You only just pay with your debit card. Now, if you have a PayPal, all you need to do is just to connect your PayPal and you make payments from there. Now, but I'm not using PayPal. I'm going to be using crypto. Let's go back to that place. I'm going to be using cryptocurrency to do it. So I'm going to be using crypto. If you click on crypto options, now you see pay by cryptocurrency, and you click start transaction. Now, when you come here, you have different methods of sending cryptocurrency to them. You can send them Bitcoin, you can send them Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, you can send them DAI, you can send them DAI, only ERC20, that is only Ethereum network. You can send them Litecoin, you can send them USDC, only Ethereum network. Now, if you want to send Bitcoin, for example, if you click on the drawdown, you see the amount you need to send, you copy it, see the wallet address, or you scan the barcode. Any of them, you can do it, or depending on which one you want to do. But if you have Bitcoin you want to send, and you want to send Bitcoin, I recommend you to use FTS. FTS offer free Bitcoin sending. You can send Bitcoin to anybody for free using FTS. The link is in the description below. You can just sign up to FTS using the link in the description below. All right, so I'm going to be using Litecoin here. I want to send Litecoin for them. Now I'm going to be sending Litecoin to them. Now the link is also in the description below. If you don't have Binance account, you can create accounts on Binance. The link is on the description below, where you have create accounts on Binance. Then you buy Litecoin using your USDT, so you can be able to send it to them. So I'm going to be sending these amounts to them. I don't want this video to take long, so let me go ahead and send this amount of Litecoin to them. I'm doing it in your presence here, so you won't make mistake. I'm going to send Litecoin to. All right, you can see. All right, we are back. I've purchased the domain and we have paid $40. Now, if you use your card, this is where it will take you. It will take you here immediately once your card is successful. Now, remember, if you use cryptocurrency to send, it will delay depending on the network that you use, so that they will be able to receive it. So, but if you use, it is good to use card. For me, I think it's good for you to use card, just for you to use your card and make the payment. So don't use crypto. Crypto can take you a long time, but unless you just are willing to, wait that long. But if you use a card, all you need to do is just swipe it and automatically it takes you here. Now, the next thing is go to my domains and search for new domain. Now let's go to my domains. You don't need to search for new domain. Let's go to my domain. I decided to do this video to explain to you how everything works, so you can do everything. All right, so this is the first one I told you. Now I have already bought deep2trust.wallet. Now I've already minted it, but you can look at this one. This one is not yet minted. This is the one we bought right now, deep2trust.crypto. So it is not yet minted. Now let me go ahead and mint it. And minting it is free of charge. Now click on free mint. Click on it. Continue. Now, before you mint it, sorry, I will say this. Before you mint, you need to have your MetaMask installed, your MetaMask extension installed on your PC. Now, if you don't know how to install MetaMask, all you need to do, go to Chrome and type in MetaMask extension. Now, all you need to do is to connect your MetaMask here, download MetaMask extension, and connect it to your extension Chrome right here. Then you just sign in your MetaMask account. You're the same MetaMask in your phone. All you need to do is just activate it here using your phrase code. Although the 12 phrase code you write down when you are creating that account is what you put there, so you can be able to mint your domain. Now let me go ahead and mint it. Continue. You can see, you now ask me add wallets, and this is the wallet I want to add it. This wallet already have one domain. I'm going to add another domain, which is deep2trust.crypto. I understand. Let me confirm. Okay, two-factor authenticator, confirm. email. All right, so let's get the confirmation code because they will send you a confirmation code on your email. So let me go ahead and put in the confirmation code they sent me on my email. Let me get it. All right. J1 X X QE. Now the email you use to sign up is what they will send the confirmation code, so you can be able to put the code, the verification code they sent to you. So you can see minting process started, then track process. You can click on track process or anything, or you wait, you can see. So you can see this one is pending. This one is, you can see, processing, pending. So this is one I just did, deep crypto. So I've actually, is minting. It won't take time, probably in a few minutes. Let me refresh it. All right, it's still minting. All right, so if you like what you're seeing, I want you to smash the like button, click on the subscribe button, and turn on the post notification so you will not miss any of our videos. Because why? I'm going to be dropping powerful airdrop videos that is going to make you a lot of money in 2022. It is very, very important. If you like what you're seeing, if you want to earn free money in cryptocurrency, now these are ways to earn free money. Now, don't just be clicking on those websites thinking that just clicking anybody's website will make, I'm referring people, will make them give you money. You have to partake in it. Now, this is how to partake in DeFi. I just bought a domain right here. All you need to do is just think outside the box. Now look for a domain that you will buy so you can secure it. In the future, the domain will worth a lot of money. I can tell you, the domain will worth a lot. I can tell you, deeptutors.crypto in the future can worth a lot of money. It's amazing. So we have just secured our domain. You can see completed. All right. Okay, this is the one that I just did. Okay, the one I minted before, deeptutors.wallet, has already been completed. So I'm just waiting for the other one to complete. So, but it's pending. All right. So thank you for watching this video. If you like what you see, stay on the loop. Click on the link video. Click on the subscribe button and every button you need to click so that many people will see this amazing video. It is very, very important. Many people need to see this amazing video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.